Hey, here we got a 2001 Ford Escape. It's been not a bad car here. I've done a lot of work to it so far, and tranny, transfer case, U-joints, front wheel hubs, bearings, front rotors, caps, pads, rotors, you know, starter, a lot of work to it. But right now I'm currently having a problem with it idling. Couple things on it so far. You know, I've changed the idle control. I've cleaned the vacuum lines out. I've actually taken this off already. I changed the stuff on it, but now I have to take it off again because I noticed that when I sprayed some carb cleaner down in here, it seems to choke up a little bit. So I'm thinking that I have a bad lower intake gasket. And there's 6 up top here on the upper, 6 also on the bottom. So I'm going to take all this stuff apart here again and then pull this off, and which kind of bites, but what do, right? So should have did it the first time, I guess, but I didn't have the parts then, right? So I was just thinking maybe it was the upper gaskets, but no. So I'm going to be doing that. Hopefully if I get this done within a couple hours here, it'll be running fine again, I hope so. So yeah, so see. Alright.